Hello YouTube, welcome to another Thrift with me. Please make sure to subscribe if you haven't joined the family. For new subscribers, thanks for coming back. I appreciate you. Today I went to two thrift stores, Savers and Goodwill. This first store is Savers. They had some awesome prints. I didn't get them because I really prefer paintings, but they were pretty awesome. Do you ever have an item in your cart, can't figure out what to do with it, and put it back? And then when you get home, realize, oh, I could have done something really awesome with those. These little wood bowls are those items for me. These purse handles were so awesome. I just don't have a need for them, but if I was looking to put new handles on my purses, this would have been perfect. These black figurines are awesome. I typically try not to buy figurines unless they're Christmas ornaments. I just don't want to have a bunch of little tiny little things around. It just adds to clutter in my house. I thought this was a really interesting, I guess it would be Mexican or Latin American candelabra. That's what it looks like to me. And this was a really nice piece. It's actually really wide. I don't know if you can tell. It looks like a Japanese, statue, but it's not vintage. It's rather new. Lots of little figurines. They're so cute, but I never take these home. This bowl was really interesting and really beautiful. I love the color of the outside and the inside and the shape of it. It had a lot of movement. Who can resist a swan? I'm not sure what you would set on there. Maybe a plant. This was a really cute piece. I loved how ornate it was. These candle holders are perfect for someone with more of a ocean vibe, beach vibe. These were really nice with the wood and the metal juxtaposed against each other. I thought those were really beautiful. Very Moroccan. This ceramic genie in a bottle. It's adorable. I couldn't find a maker's mark on it, but it does look handmade. I always look through the frames because I'm always looking for a vintage gold ornate frame, and I never find them. But wishful thinking. Always got to stay positive. These were really nice. These are steak plates. They sell for about $30 a piece on eBay, and they are from Restoration Hardware, originally for $15. So I'm not exactly sure why they're selling for so much. This tree is just the amount of time it went into like making that. I thought that was really special. And these poor things, I always see these in Goodwill, these collapsible wood baskets. People always give them away. These mugs were so adorable. It was two little, I guess, skunk. I don't know what they are, but they're adorable, but they're really small, very small for mugs. I think that's a porcupine and the other one, the skunk. I don't know, but they're cute. And this plate was adorable. If there was more than one, I would have gotten it, but I didn't see any others. This catch-all looks very mid-century. Love that. And of course, here I am at the silver. I always gotta look, especially at the teapots. I'm always looking for a maker's mark because those do sell for really good money on eBay. And this one, I love the shape. This is very mid-century looking. This was beautiful, this silver platter. It was gorgeous, and it even has feet on the bottom. I just could not think of where I could actually put it if I brought it home. This kind of party tray also was really, really nice. It was on the lighter side though. It wasn't, a vintage piece. I love this pedestal glass bowl with handles. That is such a cute candy dish. And this silver one, I should have gotten it. That is so nice. I don't know why I didn't pick it up. I don't know if you can tell, but this thing is huge. And it is absolutely the wrong color, but it was nice, good quality. And can anyone tell me, what is this? What are you supposed to do with that? It's not a strainer. I don't know what that is. This owl cookie jar was so beautiful. I love the black and white. I don't have an owl theme at all, but I thought that was adorable. This is actually a tea kettle, but it's a thermos. It's a thermos shaped as a tea kettle, and they're selling for about $75, up to $75 online. This is definitely a vintage piece. I should have gotten these ceramic muffin tins as well. I don't know why I didn't pick them. I guess because I just didn't want to store them, but they're so cute. This was actually the best item that I saw there. The piece is actually huge. It's like 2 feet high, and you probably can't tell by looking. But this is a wine chiller. You put the ice in the bottom, and then you stick your bottles of wine through the holes. And if you cleaned it up, that would be beautiful. I just had no place to put it when it was not in use, so I left it there, but that piece was really gorgeous. Okay, on to Goodwill. This beautiful wood statue was beautiful. It looks hand carved, but it was broken, and I already have a very similar wood carving that's like 3 feet tall, so I left that there. This is not my jive at all, but it reminded me something from like the 70s, early 80s. It was just nostalgic. Overall, I was pretty disappointed with the Goodwill, but I got there late on a Saturday. They did have dog bowls, new dog bowls from Target that they were selling for a few bucks a piece, and I really liked this particular design. And they had a few other designs as well, so I thought those were a good deal. But I didn't really see anything else to really share with you guys at the Goodwill. The glass ones were also really nice, but I'm sure I would break those trying to wash them. I know me. Hey YouTube, thanks for watching my thrift with me, and now I want to share with you a few things that I got. So I'm in the car, but I find that in the car is just easier. It just doesn't require any setup because my house is dark, so I don't have to put up lights. So anyway, I hope you guys don't mind. So let's jump into what I bought today. So the first thing that I picked up were these. I'm reaching over to the other side of the seat. I already dropped something. These steak plates. So I'm going to give you another view of them kind of styled so you can see. But these are actually restoration hardware, but they're ironwood steak plates. Now I did look them up on eBay, and they do go for about $30 a piece, and I got 2 of them. And so I thought that, you know, sometimes when you're eating something like steak or ribs, you know, you're having a barbecue, that a plate like this is actually just perfect. You need something to accommodate, you know, your mashed potatoes, your meats, and, you know, you don't have anything necessarily soupy, so you're not concerned about it dripping off the plate, not like it would, because these are curved edges. But anyway, I thought those were really nice, and they can be styled well. I wish they had 4 of them, of course, but you know, I have a small family, so that'll work for us. The next thing I purchased was this and those were $3 a piece, those steak plates. So this is I don't know, just kind of like a, you know, a container. I liked it because it looked very mid-century modern. I'm not sure exactly what I would put in it, but this was $4. I can clean that up a little bit. I also bought this. This is actually not home decor, but this is for my son. It's a George Foreman grill, and I thought it would actually help him to like cook more for himself, you know, make his own burgers or like grilled cheese sandwiches or something. So I tried it out in the store, and it does work, so I got that. I also picked up 2 of these. One has already fallen. These dog bowls. So these are brand new. They're a Target item, Boots in Berkeley. The exterior is concrete, and if you see the detailing, like, I love that. And the interior, the silver bowl actually comes out so they can be washed really easy. So I thought this would be perfect for him, because my dog uses, you know, a little cheap Dollar Tree, like, you know, dog bowl and food bowl that are connected into like one unit. I thought this would be better because this would keep his water and food separate, and it's easier for me to wash, and it just, you know, it'll look better than that old, you know, Dollar Tree, you know, little bowl. The last item I picked up was this tea kettle. This mid-century tea kettle I just thought was so interesting. The brand is, in case you were interested, Where did I see the brand? Oh, the brand is here. It's Crown Corning, and it's a thermique model. So I did look them up online, and I think I saw one on eBay for like going for $75. And I paid $5.99 for this. So I just bought it. I didn't buy it because, you know, it was selling for more, but I just thought it was just such an interesting vintage piece, and I like the color. And I do have a few teapots. I kind of like collecting them. So I picked that one up. So I was actually pretty happy with that find, because that was like the most interesting thing to me. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And also, if you know what would typically be put in here, like, let me know what you think, because I'm not sure. All right. Thank you. Talk to you guys later. Bye.